It's that time of year again. Holiday season is upon us, and for many, that means trying to create beautiful, eye catching photos to capture the festive vibe. But I know that for a lot of you, the thought of taking high quality holiday photos sounds expensive. Like you'll need a new camera or a whole new lighting setup. I'm here to tell you you can create professional scroll stopping holiday images with what you already have. Today, I'll walk you through easy, affordable ways to take your holiday photos to the next level, all without breaking the bank. Hi, I'm Rose. I'm a former IT analyst turned creative mompreneur who loves photography and sharing tips and tricks to make it easy. But enough about me, let's talk about you and how you can create festive, eye-catching photos with minimal effort. So step 1, set up your DIY holiday scene with everyday items. So let's start by getting that holiday feel into your photos, even if you don't have loads of props or gear lying around. The good news is you don't need fancy holiday decorations or expensive lighting. It's all about using simple items that you can find around the house. Think about items like fairy lights or string lights, blankets, or Christmas ornaments. For a cozy vibe, try laying down a neutral blanket as a backdrop, add in a few ornaments or pine branches for texture, and maybe some warm fairy lights to frame your subject. These elements instantly add that festive feel to your photos. If you're shooting food or products, try adding items that match the colors of the season. Reds, greens, and golds are perfect for creating that holiday warmth. And the best part, you're creating a festive setup without needing to buy anything extra. For example, in my DIY setup here, I used a chair, a flat surface, and some mega boxes to keep things steady. For my backdrop, I went with a cheap felt paper and I gathered up props like an old tinsel, a gold ribbon, a few ornaments, and a golden Christmas ball I found while doing some holiday cleaning. And here are the photos I was able to create with just those simple touches. Cool, right? Now, step number 2, use natural light for crisp, clear photos. Now, let's talk about lighting. We're aiming for bright, clear images, but winter lighting can be tricky. Now, if you don't have fancy lighting equipment, natural light is your best friend. You can find a window with good soft light, ideally in the morning or late afternoon when the light is more even. So position your setup near the window so that the light falls on it, giving you a soft, natural look. To control the light a bit more, you can use simple tools like a piece of white paper or even a mirror to reflect light back onto your subject. This gives your photo that extra pop and fills in shadows. If the light's too strong, a sheer curtain or even taping up a white pillowcase over the window can act as a diffuser. These tricks keep your photos looking professional and vibrant without any fancy lighting gear. As you can see from my setup earlier, I placed my DIY setup near our bedroom window for that beautiful natural light. Next, step number 3, compose your shot for maximum impact. A professional looking photo comes down to how you frame it. A strong composition draws the viewer's eye right to the subject. For holiday photos, a rule of thirds grid is helpful. Imagine your shot split into a 3x3 grid and place your main subject where the lines intersect. This positioning gives your shot a balanced, natural look. For food or small products, getting up close or shooting at a slight angle can add dimension. So try framing your subject with some of the decorations from step 1, like ornaments or pine sprigs in the foreground or the background. This draws focus to the subject and adds a cozy, layered feel without crowding the image. In my DIY setups, I tried experimenting with foreground elements, diagonal composition, rule of odd numbers, and try different angles and distances to capture the product's texture and details. Last but not the least, step 4, simple editing tricks for festive photos. So once you've got the shot, let's talk about polishing it up. With free apps like Lightroom Mobile, Snapseed, or VSCO, you can do wonders to make your photos pop. Adjust the brightness to bring in more light if needed, then try adding a bit of warmth to enhance that cozy holiday feel. If you're working with red, green, or gold accents, a bit of saturation on these colors can make them stand out without overwhelming the photo. For that frosty, snowy look, try lowering the temperature slightly in your app's settings. This makes whites appear crisp, giving the image a white Christmas feel, even if there's no snow outside. So with just a few adjustments, you're elevating your photo to look professional and polished, all without costly software or editing programs. To show you just how much editing can elevate a shot, here are some before and after photos from my DIY setup. All of these are edited using only my iPhone's built-in photo editor and the free version of Lightroom Mobile. And there you have it, holiday photos that pop without the need for fancy gear or complicated setups. From styling with easy seasonal props to capturing great light and editing with free tools, you're now set to create festive photos that truly stand out. If you found these tips useful and want to go even deeper, my full class on festive food and product photography is now live on Skillshare. In it, I'll walk you through even more techniques to create holiday photos that shine no matter where you are on your photography journey. And for those looking for an extra touch, I've also created a Christmas-themed Lightroom preset bundle, perfect for adding that snowy white vibe, elegant gold tones, or the classic red and green holiday feel with just a few clicks. Both the class and the festive presets are available through the link below. And of course, for the die-hard DIYers like me, I'll be posting a complete photo editing tutorial to get that frosty white Christmas look. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. Do you want more product photography tips? Check out this playlist, wherever it will be, or it may be. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!